Easy round. Question number 1. How many prime numbers are less than 20? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8, E. 9. Okay, time's up. Please raise your boards. The correct answer is D. Okay. 1 wrong, 2 correct, 3 correct, 11 correct. Okay. May we remind the contestants to decide in capital letters. Okay. X, Y, and Z are 3 distinct points on the line, and XY is 24, YZ is 18. These are length of segments. Segment XY is length 24, segment YZ has length 18. The coordinate of X is negative 3. Which of the following may be the coordinate of Y and Z is between X and Y? A, negative 6, B, negative 3, C, 3, D, 6, E, 9. Time's up. Please raise your words. The correct answer is C. Okay, 1 correct, 2 wrong, 3 wrong, 11 wrong. Okay. The first 3 quizzes is 17. What score should he get on his next quiz to increase his average score to 18? A, 18. B, 19. C, 12. Time's up. Please raise your words. The correct answer is letter D. 1 wrong, 2 correct, 3 correct, 4 wrong, 5 wrong, 10 correct, 11 correct. Which of the following quadratic equations has roots negative 3 and negative 2? A, x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. B, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. C, x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. D, x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0. Or E, x squared minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. Time's up. Please raise your boards. The correct answer is letter B. Okay? 1 correct, 2 correct, 3 correct, 11 correct. Easy round. Which of the following is equal to 0? A, sine 90 degrees. B, sine 120 degrees. C, sine 180 degrees. D, sine 210 degrees. Or E, sine 270 degrees. Time's up. Please raise your boards. The correct answer is letter C. Okay. 1 wrong, 2 correct, 3 is in the form, and with correct units if the problem asks for a unit. Okay? Ready? Average question number 1. In a family of 10 siblings, 5 like dogs, 4 like cats, and 3 like both cats and dogs. How many dislike both cats and dogs? Again, in a family of 10 siblings, 5 like dogs, 4 like cats, and 3 like both cats and dogs. How many dislike both cats and dogs? Go. Time's up. Please raise your boards. The correct answer is 4. Okay, so 1 wrong, 2 correct, 3 wrong, 4 wrong, 5, 10 wrong, 11 correct. 5 rats in 5 minutes. How many rats can 2 cats catch catch in an hour? Again, if 5 cats can catch 5 rats in 5 minutes, how many rats can 2 cats catch in an hour? Go. Time's up. Okay, please raise your boards. The correct answer is 24. Okay, 1 wrong, 2 wrong, 3 wrong, 4, 11 wrong. Intercept and the y-intercept of a line are negative 3 halves and 1/3 respectively. Express its equation in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. That's in general form. Okay? Again, the x-intercept and the y-intercept of a line. Time's up. Please raise your boards. The correct answer is 2x minus 9y plus 3 equals 0. I think nobody got the correct answer. Okay, okay, medyo malayo eh. I have to look. Okay, this is correct. Okay, number 11 is correct.
Can I express a simplest form?
Okay. Ayan. So, only team number 11 got the correct answer. Okay, so we'll move on to question number 4. Given a rectangle whose length is 4 and whose width is 3, if the midpoints of the sides of the rectangle are joined, what is the perimeter of the resulting quadrilateral? Again, given a rectangle whose length is 4 and whose width is 3, if the midpoints of the sides of the rectangle are joined, what is the perimeter of the resulting quadrilateral? Time's up. Please raise your words. The correct answer is 10. Okay, so 1 wrong, 2 wrong, 3. And the average round. What is the value of the expression cotangent squared theta minus cosecant squared theta equal that's it. What is the value of the expression cotangent squared theta minus cosecant squared theta? Go. Time's up. Please raise your words. The correct answer is negative 1. Okay? It's one of the fundamental. An isosceles triangle is folded to put its vertex on the midpoint of the base, thus forming a trapezoid of area 12 square units. What is the area of the original triangle? Again, time's up. Okay. The correct answer is 16 square units. Okay. 1 wrong, 2 wrong. Next question. Okay, difficult question number 2. What is the length of the longest stick that can be placed inside a box, rectangular box that is, with dimensions 12 meters by 16 meters by 21 meters? Again, what is the length of the longest stick, okay, assuming negligible thickness, that can be placed inside a box with dimensions 12 meters by 16? Time's up. Okay, raise your boards. The correct answer is 29 meters. Okay, so you have to compete for the diagonal of the box. Okay, of the newly renovated academic building has 6 rooms arranged in a row. Each room is to be painted either white or blue, but no 2 adjacent rooms must be both blue. we both painted blue. In how many ways can the 6 rooms be painted? Again, the first floor of the newly renovated academic building. Times up these ratio boards. Okay. The previous question, may nakita akong sagot na 21. That's the correct answer for this question. Okay? 21, that's an application of the Fibonacci sequence. If you are familiar with it. I think nobody got it. Second to the last question. Given that logarithm of 5 is 0.69897, the approximation to the nearest 5 decimal place. Find the number of digits in the decimal expansion of 5 raised to the 100. Given that the logarithm of 5 is 0.69897, find the number. Time's up. Okay, this ratio as works. So we are want to find the number of digits of 5 to the 100. And there is a formula for the number of digits of n. That's 1 plus the logarithm of the greatest integer of n. So the answer is 1 plus 69 is 70. Okay? Okay? In the song, 12 Days of Christmas, how many gifts all in all God sent to me? Okay? Alam niyo ba yung kami niya? On the first, did my true love. Time's up. Okay, please raise your voice. As expected. The correct answer, kasi again, ulitin ko yung on the set. That's all. Okay, so, only team number 1 got the last question. Okay, so, let's just... Team number 11, are you ready? Team number 9, okay. So, for clincher round, the first question is for 1 minute, ma'am. Okay, so, question number 1. A 40% salt solution is to be mixed with a 60% salt solution to make 100 liters of a 45% salt solution. How many liters of the 40% salt solution is needed? Again. Time's up. The shade supports. Correct answer is 75. Nobody got the correct answer. The next question number 2. The area of a square is 64 square centimeters. What is the area of a second square? Whose sides are 1/2 as large as the sides of the given square. The area of a square is 64 square centimeters. What is the area of a second square whose sides are 1/2 as large as the sides of the given square? Time's up. This ratio works. The correct answer is 16 square centimeters. We have a winner. Okay, so team number 11 is the second place. Third place is the team number 9. Oh, there's a question. Yes.